20th of September 2024 at Meldrum House down at the 5th Green and surrounds. The guys are doing some work on the runoffs. They've got Lyle and a tractor, the seeder, who is seeding behind Stuart on the tiny machine. Let you see a little bit what's going on. The greens are kind of finished. Still pretty sandy to see, and yes, they will be bumpy for a wee while, but that'll improve. Hopefully every time you're out for a game you'll see a difference, and we just get better and better. So Stuart's digging some tine holes for the seed to go into. Lots of holes, and then Lyle's coming around. You can see the little seed there. And Craig just weighing with the top dresser, field dress it. Then we'll drag mat it. And there'll be some nice new seedlings coming up through the runoffs to keep them healthy. So a lot of work going on. It's now Friday, coming on lunchtime Friday. It's been all week pretty full on, but weather's played ball, and happy with the bit of work we've gone through. Still got a lot of work to do on fairways and tees and greens approaches, but the most important bit on the greens and areas like the runoffs is now just about complete.